Hello everyone. Um, I am just going to tell you a little bit about the coding of my website, and then we'll just take a look at the actual site that people will see when they would go online. So the first thing that I used brackets to work on my coding. I feel like it organized things a lot better, and I used color codes to keep me organized. Um, I asked a couple people who had already taken this class, and they gave me some references as to what sites I should use. Okay, so I used some HTML just for the basic layout of the page, and used it along with CSS for things like um, a link that's in my wording, uh, making a cool font style for the header in my web page, making a navigation bar and buttons and a search engine kind of thing. Um, Used a little bit of AngularJS for font change, and let's see what else. Oh, I also have here the different things like a panel and font color and style and border and padding and all of that jazz. As you scroll down, here's the beginning of my page here actually, and I decided to do mine on kale, the vegetable, because I love it, and it was a very fun project. I learned a lot about kale that I didn't know. And anyway, so here is where I created my tabs that will be at the top of my web page. And let's see. Here I actually created like a slideshow for you guys showing different recipes and links to them using kale. And this carousel thing is really cool. It's actually the one that creates the slideshow that will just keep going through it over and over. As I scroll down, let's see what else we have here. I have something here like a drop down panel, and you can click on it and click out of it and it'll appear and disappear. And here I'm really disappointed because I thought this would be really cool, kind of old school but still cool. I had an audio where when you click to go into the website, that it will automatically play background music. But the link that I got, and I've tried several different websites to download an MP3, would not cooperate with me and would only be a temporary file instead of a longer lasting one at least. So now that we've been through that, I'm going to scroll back up, and this little lightning bolt right here is actually a preview tab, and if you click on it, then you can preview your website. So I'm going to minimize that a little bit. I'm going to click on the preview button, and it's coming up. So here's what it actually looks like if you were to go onto a web page and find it. So here's my cool font here. Here's this, and when I scroll over the button, it changes the color. When you click it, oh my goodness, the text changes size. And as you scroll down here, actually, you have these different tabs here. And if you click the first one, here's my carousel of the pictures down here, different things. And along with each one of these recipes, right here is a link to the site where I got these pictures from. Okay, for health benefits. So basically just listed all the benefits here, and it centered some of my text, and I was able to put in a YouTube video, which I thought was really neat. And then on the last one, the superfood farming, basically tells you about the about growing kale. So growing the greens, if you click on that, it drops down, it tells you different steps that you can take, and if you click on it, it disappears. If you scroll down a little bit at this bottom, you can go to a link here, the Old Farmer's Almanac, and it will show you what to do. Here, actually I don't have this in working order, but it still kind of works. So if you lived in Rockingham 28379, you would put that in and enter and search your zip code. So I'm going to show you that this link actually works. If I go here, I'm going to open it in a new tab, and should come up. There it is, the Old Farmer's Almanac. Okay, so this is my site, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. As for the back end stuff, I am so happy that we did not have to do that. Alright, have a great summer.